So hello guys, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So this house is located at KINOO, Waiyaki Way. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is the first bedroom we are going to go to. As you can see, it has it's master en suite. I like how spacious it is. With this 2-bedroom, the water is not inclusive of the rent, meaning water is per meter. If you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscription box. We are heading to road to 1000 subscribers. So any details about this house is going to be in the description box. So if you want to know more details about this house, you can just check on the description box. I'm going to put the caretaker's number, not my number, the caretaker's number on the description box. So what you do is just that you're going to call the number and confirm if the house is still available. So the kitchen is an open kitchen. You can see it directly connects to the sitting room from here. We have a video showcasing one bedroom of this house that is directly opposite to this one. If you haven't watched it, go to the description box. I'm going to put the link and make sure to watch. So electricity is token, water is per meter, and the rent is 33,000 Kenyan shillings per month. So in case you call the number and you find the house is already gone, you can just contact my number, because I'm also going to put it in the description box, and request to be helped in looking for a house. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Things right, 'cause when I'm with you